Real estate is one of the clearest ways to build long term wealth, but many people make it look more confusing than it needs to be. At the simplest level, real estate is about property: land, houses, apartments, shops, offices, warehouses, and every space people use to live, work, store goods, or run a business. In this video, we are going straight into the practical steps to start a real estate business. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contactredalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Understand the real estate business before you start. A real estate business is any business that helps people buy, sell, rent, develop, invest in, or manage property for profit. This is important because many beginners think they must own property before they can enter real estate. That is not true. You can own property, but you can also earn through brokerage, property management, wholesaling, short-term rentals, advisory, or helping investors find good opportunities. So before you start, understand the different doors in real estate. Some doors need a lot of money, some need more skill, trust, and network. Your job is to choose the door that fits where you are now. Step 2. Conduct proper real estate market research. Once you understand the business, the next step is market research. This means studying the location, the people, the demand, and the prices before you put your money or energy into anything. Do not buy land because someone said the area is hot. Do not start short-term rentals because you saw someone making money online. Do not become an agent in a location you do not understand. First, ask questions. Where are people moving to? What type of property do they need? Are they looking for rooms, flats, family homes, shops, offices, warehouses, or land? What can they afford? What are landlords charging? What are buyers paying? What problems are tenants, buyers, sellers, and property owners facing? Market research protects you from guessing, and in real estate, guessing can be very expensive. Step 3. Choose a profitable real estate niche. After research, choose your niche. Your niche is the specific part of real estate you want to focus on. This is where many people get confused. They want to sell land, rent houses, manage property, build houses, run short-term rentals, and advise investors all at once. That is too much for a beginner. Start with focus. If you have low capital, you may begin with brokerage, property management, or wholesaling. If you have some capital, you may look at rentals, short-term rentals, or small renovation projects. If you have stronger capital and experience, you may consider development or commercial real estate. A clear niche helps people know what to call you for. When people understand what you do, it becomes easier to trust you, refer you, and work with you. Step 4. Create a real estate business plan. Now that you have chosen your niche, create a business plan. A business plan is your written map. It helps you see where you are going before you start spending money. Your real estate business plan should explain what part of real estate you are entering, who your customers are, how you will make money, how much you need to start, how you will find clients or deals, and what risks you must prepare for. It does not need to be complicated, but it must be clear. A simple plan is better than no plan. Without a plan, even a good opportunity can become a mistake because you may not understand the cost, the timing, or the real profit. Business is not built by rushing. A plan slows you down enough to think clearly. Step 5. Register your real estate business properly. If you want people to trust you, you need to look and operate like a serious business. Registration gives your business legal identity. It helps you open a business account, sign contracts, work with clients, approach investors, and build credibility. Depending on your location and business model, you may also need licenses, permits, or professional approvals. This matters because real estate involves valuable assets. People are careful when property and money are involved. They want to know that they are dealing with someone structured, traceable, and professional. Do not treat legal structure as an afterthought. In real estate, documents matter. Step 6. Secure the right funding for your model. After registration, think about funding. Funding means the money or resources you need to start and operate. But listen carefully, not every real estate business needs the same amount of money. If you want to buy land or build property, you need more capital. If you want to start as a broker, property manager, or wholesaler, you may need less money, but more skill, effort, trust, and network. Funding can come from personal savings, bank loans, mortgages, private investors, partnerships, or joint ventures, but every funding option comes with. So do not only ask, where can I get money? Ask, what type of money fits this real estate model, and can the business carry the cost? Step 7. Build your real estate network and team. Real estate is not a business you build alone. You need people. You need agents who know the market. You need lawyers who can check documents and protect transactions. You need surveyors, builders, contractors, valuers, financial advisors, property owners, investors, buyers, and tenants. These people help you find deals, check risks, fix problems, and make better decisions. Sometimes the best opportunities do not come from public adverts, they come from relationships. But as you build your network, be careful. Work with people who are honest and competent. In real estate, one wrong person can spoil a good deal. Your network is not just support, it is part of your business strength. Step 8. Build trust before you chase deals. Before you start chasing big deals, build trust. Trust is one of the most important currencies in real estate. People are careful with property because property is expensive. Nobody wants fake documents. Nobody wants to lose money. Nobody wants hidden problems. Nobody wants an agent or business owner who disappears after collecting money. So build your reputation slowly and properly. Be honest about what you know. Verify property before promoting it. Use written agreements. Communicate clearly. Keep records. Do not promise what you cannot deliver. A quick commission may feed you once, but a good name can feed you for years. Step 9. Launch and market your real estate business. Once your structure is ready, Launch and market your business. This means people must know what you do and why they should trust you. Start with a clear online presence. Create social media profiles that explain your service. Build a simple website if possible. Share useful property information. Talk about locations. Explain common mistakes. Show verified listings. Share lessons from your niche. Good marketing is not shouting, buy now. Good marketing teaches people, builds confidence, and positions you as someone who understands the market. If you are new, education is a strong way to build authority. Teach people what to check before renting a house, buying land, choosing a shop, or working with an agent. When people trust your knowledge, they are more likely to call you. Step 10. Start small and complete your first deal. Now it is time to act. Many beginners wait too long because they want the perfect deal, perfect office, perfect investor, perfect market, or perfect time. But real business growth comes from execution. Start with one manageable opportunity. It could be one brokerage deal, one managed property, one short-term rental test, one rental unit, or one wholesale deal. Do not despise small beginnings. One completed deal will teach you more than months of only planning. You will learn how clients behave, how documents move, how negotiations work, how costs appear, and how profit is made. Start small, learn, improve, and then grow. Step 11. Track your numbers and know your profit. Once you start operating, track your numbers. Do not run real estate with feelings alone. You need to know how much money came in, how much went out, how many leads became clients, how much repairs cost, how long a property stayed empty, and how much profit remained after expenses. Profit is not just money that enters your account. Profit is what remains after the real costs have been removed. For example, if a property brings $1,500 in rent and the total monthly cost is $1,250, the profit is $250. That is the true number, not $1,500. Numbers tell the truth. If you track them well, you can improve your business faster. Step 12. Understand costs before you scale. Before you scale, understand your costs. The cost of starting real estate depends on your model. Low-cost models like brokerage, property management, and wholesaling may require money for registration, basic marketing, transport, training, calls, and a simple website. Mid-level models like rentals, short-term rentals, and fix and flip projects may require property deposits, renovation, furnishing, legal documentation, cleaning, and marketing. High capital models like development and commercial real estate may require land purchase, building costs, approvals, professional fees, and long-term project funding. Also, remember hidden costs. Repairs, maintenance, taxes, insurance, vacancy periods, legal updates, and marketing can reduce profit if you ignore them. Step 13. Manage risk before risk manages you. Real estate can build wealth, but it also carries risk. Property values can fall. Tenants can leave. A property can stay empty. Repairs can cost more than expected. Documents can have problems. Government rules can change. Debt can become too heavy. The goal is not to pretend risk does not exist. The goal is to manage it. Do proper due diligence. Check documents. Inspect the property. Understand the location. Use lawyers and professionals. Keep some cash aside for unexpected costs. Avoid borrowing more than the business can carry. Successful real estate entrepreneurs are not successful because they never face risk. They are successful because they plan for it. Step 14. Keep learning and follow real estate trends. Real estate changes, prices change, demand changes, technology changes how people buy, rent, sell, and manage property. Today, people search for properties online. Buyers watch property videos before visiting. Property managers use software. Investors use data. Short-term rentals, flexible workspaces, green buildings, smart cities, and PropTech are changing the market. If you want to grow, keep learning. Study the market. Follow new regulations. Understand customer behavior. Watch where people are moving. Learn how technology can help you work faster and make better decisions. Old knowledge can become expensive if the market has moved on. If you are serious about starting your real estate business, Entrepreneurship can support you with practical tools and services. At Entrepreneurship, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contactredalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur Success Blueprint Program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at businessentrepreneurs.ng. Real estate is not only about owning property, it is about solving property problems, creating value, managing money carefully, and building trust over time. If this video helped you, subscribe to this channel, follow entrepreneurs.ng, and share this video with someone who wants to start a real estate business. To read the full guide, visit entrepreneurs.ng, https://entrepreneurs.ng real estate business. The link is in the description. We are rooting for you, always. See you in the next video.